Hey singers, it's Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about vocal fry. Have you ever heard a deep, creaky sound in some singers' voices? It's called vocal fry. But what exactly it is? Is it bad for your voice? In this video, I will explain everything about a vocal fry. What it is, how to use it safely when you are singing, and how to practice it. Plus, I will give you extra tips so you can use a vocal fry in your own voice. Are you ready? Let's go! Vocal fry is the lowest vocal register of your voice. It happens when the vocal cords come together very loosely and vibrate very slowly. Some people do it naturally when they talk. Hello. Especially when they are tired or relaxed. Vocal fry can actually improve your voice. In singing, vocal fry can be used as a warm-up. It helps relax your vocal cords before singing. You can use vocal fry for a better cord closure. It teaches you how to bring your vocal cords together, which is important for strong singing. Some singers use it for a soft, breathy effect, especially in pop and jazz. It helps with the low notes. Using vocal fry can make your lower notes clearer and stronger. But if you speak or sing with vocal fry all the time, it can make your voice tired. How to practice vocal fry safely? Let's do some vocal exercises together. We need to relax the voice. Take a deep breath and sigh down to your lowest note. Don't push. This is not vocal fry. You have to keep it light, stay relaxed and low. Let the sound come naturally. We can slide with a vocal fry. Vocal fry can help you transition between your head voice to your chest. Let's try it one more time. Relax. Okay, take a deep breath. You can practice vocal fry for about 5-7 minutes per day. Avoid overusing it to prevent vocal fatigue. If you find this vocal exercise too difficult at the moment, sing with the vocal fry on one note, like this. How to use vocal fry in a song. At the beginning of a note. Hello. Oh! Hey! At the end of a phrase. Ooh! Ah! You can use vocal fry for a relaxed tone. Some pop and R&B singers use it in slow songs to make their voice sound more expressive. Vocal fry can make singing sound more natural and conversational. Here are some extra tips. Don't overuse it. Use vocal fry as a tool, not as your main way of speaking or singing. Doing too much vocal fry can cause vocal fatigue. So start with a few minutes at a time. Even though vocal fry is a relaxed sound, good breath control helps you to keep your voice healthy. Dry vocal cords can make vocal fry harder to control. So drink water. You know you're doing vocal fry correctly if your voice sounds low, creaky, and relaxed. It should feel easy, not forced. This is not vocal fry. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more vocal warm-ups and vocal tips. And you can check out my beginner singing lessons just here. Until then, see you next time.